Okay, so let's begin. I'm just going to run the FSM RRT custom node here. When I do, you can see that a random RRT gets generated in orange, just like before. The shortest path to the radioactive site is shown in red from that tree, and then the blue graph is obviously the robot's position tracked in real time. Now, the difference from this demo video than the previous demo video is that I'm just showing that this code that I've written is very robust and that it can be expanded to any size grid. So in the previous video, we did for 2x1 grid, and now we're doing it for a 2x4 meter grid. So instead of incrementing by 25 centimeters on the horizontal, we're now incrementing by 1 meter. And the whole point is to show that the code works for any size grid, any location that you want. So here it goes to the starting position of the site, and then once at the radioactive site, it goes to the first waypoint, and you can see that the grid is much larger than in the previous demo video. And once again, this is just to show that the code that we've written is extremely robust, and you can input any size grid you want, and it will execute that lawnmower path as well as go to any start or end location. So here it's going south to that after that 1 meter pass, 2 meters down, and then faces east, heads another 1 meter towards the east, and then it faces north and goes another 2 meters. And you can see that this is, if I zoom out, is the entire map is in here. Once I go to the 2 meters, I face east, go another 1 meter for a total of 3 meters after this. Okay, and now we head south once more for 2 meters. Face south, go down 2 meters, and then once again we face east and do the last 1 meter pass. So here it's turning eastward, and then it moves east for a total of 4 meters on the horizontal, and then goes 2 meters north for a 2x4 grid. And then once it completes this last 2 meter pass, it will generate another RRT tree, and then it will find the shortest path back home from that tree. So you can see it found a path to the origin, which is the green point, and the red path is the shortest path from that RRT tree. And it will go to each of the individual waypoints of that path, and then it will turn around really nicely here, go to the second last waypoint of the shortest path. And then once it reaches here to the second last waypoint, it will go to the origin. And then once it gets there to that green dot, it will stop, and then it will throw a message to the user saying, hey, we've completed our mission successfully. So here it stops, and then you can see the map has been completed. If I go to the terminal here, it says all FSM states achieved successfully, mission success. And once again, you can see the map here as well. The robot has stopped. So that is the radioactive site searching robot. Thank you.